What's up, everybody? It's your boy Kevin Smiley, and welcome back to Kevin Lloyd 82 TV, your positive car culture channel. Today, as you can see in the title, more carbon fiber. I told you in the last video when we did the door handles, the addiction has begun, dude. And this is the same day. We're actually filming the same day. He was about to leave, and he was like, "Dude, I got this piece. I want to wrap your cluster cover." So that's what we're doing. We're putting the placeholder in the car right now. He's gonna take home my cluster cover and wrap it, but of course we got to film the process to show you guys how it's done. It's not too difficult. Some screws, clips, pull the cluster out. Hey, we're gonna show you, dude. So hope this video helps you guys out, so let's jump into it and get started. All right, you guys, so we're back for more carbon fiber. So today we're gonna be doing this, and actually this is the same day we did this last one. So he had this in here and he's like, "Hey, screw it, I might as well just, we're gonna wrap yours." So we're gonna install this. But this is gonna show you guys, if you guys ever order something like this or ever decide to wrap yours or try it, I'll show you how it's done. So he's got his.
I'll put your steering wheel down.
Yeah, do what you gotta do. So we'll start off with those screws right there. Do you need that little dish thing or what? Okay, that'll work. There we go.
Make it bigger.
There we go. Long ass screwdriver. So what, these are for the cluster, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Just to get to the other stuff.
Loosen up the top.
Yeah. There you go. So you gotta move the cluster.
Yeah, push up so these clips could come out.
Cool.
Do you see the clip right here?
Was it clip behind there or what?
Yeah, for the lights.
I could barely see it. I had to pull out my cell phone. Oh yeah, I can see you got your finger on it. What was it? The only thing is I don't know how to.
You press on the top.
There you go. Is there one clip or it's just one clip for the cluster?
Yeah, just one.
Okay. There you go. Turn this light off. So once you guys get that out, then you can get to the screws that's underneath, and I can show you this for a reference point. The screws that you're gonna need to take out. You see that one right there, that one right there, this one, and this one. Well, you guys, we were gonna just install these. Video coming for that, obviously, and then it kind of ballooned to more. So yeah, That's going in the car too.
Don't hang out with this guy.
Yeah, don't hang out with this guy. You're gonna be full carbon fiber by the end of the day. But yeah, we gotta. It's Valentine's Day, so we're gonna spend time with our ladies after we're done with this, of course, you know. But thanks again, homie. This dude is awesome. These 2 back panel pieces, these 2 right there. Yeah. Man, I wish I had the light that I used to. If you guys watch my video for this steering wheel cover, there was this light that I had. There was Cruising's light that I took by mistake because he helped me work on it.
Left it in the car.
Yeah, and I left it in my car, so I used it to install this with my wife at night. Thing was so dang bright, dude. It's the one. It was a snap-on light, dude. I definitely gotta buy it, you know. Yeah, so I'm gonna look it up and buy one. It's like it's more of a lantern light. It's like it has a magnet on it. You can stick it anywhere. Yeah, definite necessity.
Parts like this that you can't even see.
Yeah.
And then you don't got no aiming, so it's even worse.
Yeah.
Want that shit to front. There you go. It's on this side. Your wife's gonna be like, why is he taking so long? It was just some door handles.
You said what?
So your wife's gonna be like, why are they taking so long? It was just some door handle.
I told her, hey, he's about to leave right now. We're done. Going there. Hey, we did another install. All right, there you go. Once you guys get the screws off, there's the old piece, and then I'll hand them the new one. This one's just a placeholder because it does have a blemish on the front of it, but I ain't tripping. Plus, you said what was the ones that we put on my car are the ones that aren't like fully done. Yeah, it needs like what did you said? You said buffing and
some cut and buff.
Cut and buff, whatever. So these are kind of like unfinished products, but these are just placeholders. But we're gonna let him do his thing with mine, and yeah, gonna hook it up. So there you go. I'm gonna hand him this once he installs that, and we I just like seeing the carbon fiber shine in the sunlight. So yeah, it's gonna take some getting used to. That's awesome though.
Well, at first you're gonna be tripping, dude, because all this freaking reject everything right here.
Yeah.
All the lights, street lights and everything.
Yeah. This is crazy. So I was thinking too, I mean, screw it. If we're gonna do it, look at my dash, dude. we might try to do the dash or whatever, but that's later on. So yeah, all you guys gotta do is put the screws back in.
Make sure you guys have some good ass aiming.
Yeah. And proper lighting. You guys definitely need proper lighting, because I know that's one thing that I'm guilty of. It's not having the proper lights or whatever, so you can be able to see what you're doing, but it's all good. Yeah, so we got the cluster back in. It's just a matter of that little clip was giving them a pain in the butt, whatever, but it's all good. So basically put everything back together, and there it is, man. Put the other pieces together, and yeah, awesome, man. Another addition. He's gonna take this home with him and wrap this piece. So yeah, like I said, the carbon fiber addiction has begun. All right, y'all, that's gonna be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope it was informative as usual. If you guys are enjoying the content, make sure you smash that like button. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to stay up to date with my content, dude, because I got more coming. It's gonna keep coming with this amazing vehicle. I told you back when we did the Trisha Davis awesome reveal that this man put together for the late great legend Dustin Davis, that I was gonna do more content. I was not playing, dude. We got more stuff planned for his car and my car. So The content flow is going to keep going. So make sure you guys comment below if you guys are loving the content right now, dude. If you guys love carbon fiber content, comment down below carbon fiber, carbon fiber. Hit that like button, of course. I'm going to say it again, dude. Make sure you comment on these videos because it helps the YouTube algorithm to let you guys know that you are actually interacting with the channel and whatnot. And make sure you follow my man on Instagram right here. There's IG right there. Bam. And that's gonna be it. Just remember, as I say at the end of all my videos, always see the glass half full, not half empty. Stay blessed, stay safe, and remember, legends live forever. Rest easy, Dustin Davis. Rest easy, my friend. Peace.